No, you don't physically assault.
Please.
You know, madam, you are doing illegal thing. You fear Supreme Court of India. Madam, please sign. Your signature, please sign. Don't physically assault me. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
Nobody has touched your son.
You have touched my son. You assaulted me.
Please come.
You physically assaulted me. You cannot physically. I'm telling you, you're physically assaulting me, assaulting my family. Please cooperate.
Don't lie. Please tell whatever you want in court. Okay? You just put it in your signature.
Why is he physically assaulting me? Why is he beating me in the house in the morning? I'm the editor-in-chief of Republic TV. You are physically assaulting me. Is this correct? Sachin, you tell me why you're physically assaulting me. I will not accept physical assault.
What are you taking? What you Just put your signature. That's why I'm asking you, ma'am. I'm requesting you. Ma'am. Please, you put your signature and then you read what you want to do. So please sign it.
I think you have to not like this. Not physically assaulting me inside my house. If you physically assaulted me inside my house,
8:05.
Shamo, do not sign these papers. They are trying to force you to do it. You cannot physically, they cannot physically assault me inside my house. Shamo, they have physically assaulted me inside my house. I will seek the advice of my lawyers. I will cooperate. No, I will. Once I cooperate, listen to me. Sit down. Maintain social distancing.
Ma'am, give it to me paper, yeah. You put your signature and put the fight. Please give it. Give it. Let me talk to ARNAB once.
You can't physically assault. I have to make arrangements. I have to make arrangements. I have to make arrangements for that. Treatment. They are not there. My hand is injured. I'm supposed to go to the hospital. You are such a person.
You are a Sadhvi Pragya leader, no?
Shamus, no.
Okay.
You are such a person. Such a listen. Sit down. No, I will take the advice of my family. Such a Axomia resident standing there. No, but I can't do this while you are sitting down. There are 20 people in the house. No.
Don't worry, we are ready for any problem. Don't worry.
Shamo, you were physically assaulted. You have. Sachin, you and me have. This physical assault which has happened, I just want to tell you viewers, these are the people here. Shamo, is this live? These are the people who have physically assaulted me. Please cooperate. Legal action है. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. आपको करना है. आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ करना है. Shamo, they were assaulted.
I have got that all live. That's one right.
And this person assaulted me. I don't know his name. आप चलिए.
Oh, आपका तो साइड ही नहीं है.
Shamo, one second.
Okay, guys, everybody, you see this all over India.
Shamo,
He doesn't have a check. He doesn't have a check. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer.
Shamo, one second. These people are physical. I just want to give a report before you. Shamo, first of all, don't worry. Everything will be alright. These people have entered my house and physically assaulted me. This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police. They came 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin Vaze, who has entered my house illegally, and physically assaulted me.
This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that
I don't know why he physically assaulted me. I want to find him.
इसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन
He has physically assaulted me.
लीगल एक्शन
He has physically, I want action against Sachin Vaze and this person, Praveen
where is that
Pandey,
Sachin Vaze? Where is he escaped?
who physically assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना
No, physical assault is unacceptable and it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down and make arrangements. You please go down and make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you.
You use force, but I need to make
You are
arrangements.
threatening no.
If you say that you're going to use force,
Please.
it will be shown to the
We will show you.
requesting you please
No, you assaulted. No, you assaulted.
I'm requesting you now please cooperate with us.
Praveen, I'm requesting you very calmly.
Because
Very calmly.
as per your request you are sending a second class 2 hours.
You have assaulted
Class
me.
2 hours I am sending there.
You have physically assaulted me. I am injured. I never took medical advice. Because of your physical assault, I am medical advice. So I take medical advice. You have physically assaulted me.
assistance भी मिलेगा
No, no, no.
assistance भी मिलेगा
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं और मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेलवेट सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड medical advice before leaving because after the physical assault I am not feeling well.
अभी आपको चलना
I need to make arrangements for my family. Please, Shama, this record is
We are recording everything.
I want to talk to my family before leaving. Will you leave the room immediately to speak to my family? I want to speak to my family. Please, we are
Please cooperate.
I need to make
Please, आप लोगों को तबीयत खराब लग रहा है.
चलो
No, one second. You don't physically assault. You were there.
ARNAB भी चलिए प्लीज
Don't physically assault. First of all, don't surround me like this.
आप चलिए अभी चलिए प्लीज we are requesting
You are in our custody. You are in our custody. You are in
You have physically assaulted me.
I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing.
No, you have copy to your wife.
Already we have given writing.
Please ask her. No, I am not sure. She's on the paper. I couldn't read. You took it away.
चलो
I couldn't read. You took it away.
ARNAB जी चलिए once again I will tell you his case number 69 of 2018 under section 30334 IPC about rider police. Come on, this is closed. Not closed. Open. You are arrested by rider police. Come on. चलिए please.
Or no, you are not feeling well. You will not leave
She
now.
assaulted me. Someone listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. You can't do it.
म्हणजे शांतपणे सांगून बघितलं ना दरवाजाच्या बाहेर आम्ही 1 तास उभे होतो ना मॅडम. मग 1 तास आम्ही बाहेर उभे होतो ना. मग ही प्रॉपर गोष्ट आहे का? तुम्ही पोलिसांना बाहेर 1 तास उभं करून ठेवलंय आणि तुम्ही चुकीच्या बातम्या स्प्रेड करताय.
ARNAB जी चलिए प्लीज चलो
I need to consult my doctor. Jay, Shamo, just call the doctor. We have Shamo. I need to speak to my wife.
You are getting trouble for yourself.
I need to speak to my wife. Shamo! No. Don't push my son. Shamo!
Don't relax.
Shamo, record this.
Wait.
Shamo, record this.
No, my God.
मुझे मेरा जूता पहनना है। शamo, check me out. एक मिनट, मुझे मेरा जूता पहनना
Let me come down to my house.
I need to wear my shoes.
फोन